Hey guys, what's going on? I'm here to tell you a little bit about the makeup that I use every day. It's my everyday foundation. Sometimes I like to switch it up, but this is usually what I use on the regular. It's by Maybelline New York. I've been using this for several years. Maybelline is a very reputable brand. They've been around for a long time. They have many different kinds of makeup and stuff like that, and you could pretty much find it anywhere online in stores. This is Dream Satin Liquid Foundation. What I like about it a lot is that it doesn't dry out your skin at all. It keeps your skin really moist, and it covers well. For the most part, it's like a pretty matte finish, and it lasts all day long, which I really like as well. It blends really nicely, and they have so many different colors that match all different skin tones. So I get the natural beige. I feel like the natural beige and the sandy beige match my skin tone best, and they blend in really nicely. So this is foundation plus hydrating serum. It's 1 floral ounce or 30 milliliters. Number 75 is the color number, product number, in natural beige. I really like that it comes in this glass container. You just have to be careful if you drop it, because I have before and it went all over the place. It's not plastic, it's glass. It is recyclable, although it doesn't have the recyclable symbol, but you could just wash it out and toss it in the recycle bin and they'll probably take it. So the ingredients are aqua/water, isododecane, cyclopentasilicane, sorry, I'm butchering these, dimethicone, glycerin, cyclosilicane, PEG9, polydimethicone, butylene glycol, dimethicone cross-polymer, and continued inside. Sorry, I always manage to butcher these ingredients, but I want you guys to know what's in there just in case you have any allergies or anything like that. I think it's always important to read the ingredients first, because you never know, people get breakouts and reactions to all different things. So Maybelline LLC is in New York 10001, and then they have a distributor in Montreal, Canada as well. There's the barcode, and then this says lift, so I'm going to lift this so you guys could see the rest of the ingredients, which I won't read to you because I don't want to butcher the words again, but just so you guys could see, here's all the other ingredients listed. There is a lot of them, made in USA, of US and or imported ingredients. So I also really like that it's very easy to use this. So this had a plastic wrapper around it, and then it had an easy, it was on the side here, that you just tear, and then you could take the plastic off, and then that makes it easy to open. And then to open it, to open and close, you just twist this to the side, so now it's closed. And then to open, you just twist it to this side, and then you can easily just push down on here, and that distributes a good amount, but you can take as much as you need or don't need. And this is the color. So you guys can see it gives you a nice even finish, and the color is really nice. I know it doesn't really look like it matches on my fingers, but I just wanted to show you guys the color. But of course when I blend it in on my face, then it looks a lot better. It doesn't look like two different skin tones like it does here on my finger. It just blends really nicely, and then you could choose from all the different colors which you think would be best for your skin tone. For me, I feel in the summer I usually get a darker one because I get tanner from the sun, but in the winter time, now, I just do a natural beige, and then I'll switch to the sandy beige in the summertime just to match my skin tone better. So I love that they have all the options to, get different colors and whatever you like and whatever feels the most comfortable for you to use. I love that it doesn't dry out my skin. Like I said earlier, it just keeps it really moisturized all day long, which is great, especially in the winter time when your skin can get dried out and stuff. So since it's a foundation and hydrating serum, you can skip the serum in the morning in your morning routine because it's already blended in with this. Sometimes I'll do a primer or a moisturizer underneath, but that's definitely not necessary because this is so moisturizing in itself. but you could, that's just an option if you wanted to add this. And then what I do on top is I use like a powder just to set it, and then all day long it stays good. Like if I get any like kind of breakouts or anything, it covers really nicely and it just feels really good, blends easily. And overall I think it's a really great product. That's why I've continued to use it over all of these years. And it's just, like I said, you know, easy to find and makes it really convenient with all the different color options that they have. Easy to use with like the spout. You can easily close it and then just put it in your makeup bag with the rest of your stuff like I do. So I hope that you guys found the video useful. I hope you guys try out Maybelline Dream Satin Liquid. Just like the name says, satin liquid. That's exactly, it feels like satin, and it's a really nice liquid. I love it. I love this product. I hope you guys have a great day, and I thank you so much for watching the video. See you later.